Hey, how you doing? November 6th. This is Rafael, and he's coming into range right now from Houston and from Tennessee. My buddy, NAPALM Network on YouTube. He's in Project ODEN. He's helping me with these storms. So I just turned 5 of my dishes this way from Houston, and it was 100-mile-an-hour winds yesterday, I think. But you can see it's already calming down. It's starting to hit it. It's going into kill zone. As soon as it goes in the Gulf, the energy that hits it harder. And of course, it's starting to come apart and layers getting sheared off. All of those are telltale signs of what Orgone cannons do to these storms. Or if not, it would just be perfectly round and black. But see how it's going away? It's right over Cuba right now, but it's less intense. We're going to keep an eye on this thing, folks. It's supposed to go north into the open water or hit Florida. Looks like it's going towards Florida. You can see straight lines coming from over here where it digs into it right here. You see it right there, coming from Houston. And you can see all these little spikes over here. That's where it hits it also. It makes it come apart right up there. And you can see it's not very symmetrical anymore. It's starting to get lopsided. And that's what Orgone does to hurricanes. It makes them deformed. I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks.